Hi. So today's topic is what are the physical quantities? Physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured. All measurable quantities are known as physical quantities. The quantities that you can measure easily. For example, if I have a piece of cloth and I say this is 1 meter, 1 meter, so 1 meter or 2 meters or 3 meters, so I can measure the length. So length is a physical quantity. For example, I have 1 kilogram of sugar, so sugar can be measured. The mass of the sugar can be measured. So mass is a physical quantity. All measurable quantities are known as physical quantities. For example, somebody tells me I'm very happy today. So if I ask him, how much are you happy? He cannot tell me 2 kilograms or 2 meter or 17 happy. So happiness is not a physical quantity. Not a physical quantity. Same is the case with depression, sadness, angriness, or how much do you love me? So it cannot be measured. It cannot be measured. It's not a physical quantity. There are two basic types of physical quantities. One of them is base quantities and then derived quantities. So what are the base quantities? There are 7 base quantities in which length, mass, time, luminous intensity, amount of substance, and I think amount of electric current. These are 6. One more. So there are 7 base quantities. You can check it out in your book and learn them by heart. These are the base quantities with which we can make other physical quantities. For example, area. Area. What is area? Area is length into width, and we just multiply these two things and we find the area, and the unit of area is meter square. Length into length, meter into meter, it becomes meter square, and we are deriving this area from a base quantity which is length. So we are deriving it from the base. So this is a base. This is the derived quantity. And if I say what is the volume, so your volume is the capacity of a container. It is like length into width into height. If it is a cubical container or cuboid, so you can find the volume and the unit is meter cube or cubic feet, or so the volume is in cube always. So volume is derived from the base quantity, which is length, and volume is a derived quantity. So these are the basic things about the physical quantities. There are 2 types of physical quantities. Very simple.